Good morning and happy Friday. On today's Friday Mortgage Minute, I'm going to talk to you about renovation timelines. So I have been getting a handful of questions relating to renovation loans. And one of the most specific ones is, what do these look like? Are these a 2, 3, 4-month process? And that answer is no. The process, the flow, everything does run a little bit differently. Basically, it's the easiest way to think about it is your first week is generally dealing with your contractor, getting contractor bids in, working with any consultants if necessary, which I'll be able to let you know on that. But overall, that process start to finish, as long as your contractor and everything keeps moving up front, we can close 5 to 6 weeks. So it's not actually that much additional time. So if you have anyone out there that they're just struggling trying to find the right house, maybe they just need to do a renovation loan and make the right house. So if you have any questions, give me a shout. Thanks.